Today, I'll outline my 9-step method for helping small businesses start or improve their marketing. Step 1. Targeting. Identify your target audience. Who's your ideal prospect and customer? And focus your efforts on meeting their needs and wants. Step 2. Content. Create high-quality, engaging content that helps you build trust and establish authority. Step 3. Branding. Maintain consistency in branding in your domain name, your social network branding, your email, and develop a memorable brand. Step 4. Your website. Your website needs to be user-friendly, informative, and easy for you to manage, and include essential content like an About You page and a call to action. Step 5. Search marketing. You want to optimize your website for search engines and learn when and how to use paid advertising for increased visibility. Step 6. Social media marketing. Building a presence on platforms like Facebook, X, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, and choosing which one is the right one to go with. Creating a plan to target your audience and building brand awareness. Step 7. Email marketing. Email marketing is one of the highest returns on investment. Use your content to reach prospects and customers, delivering relevant information to build relationships. Step 8. E-commerce and monetization. Learn how to use e-commerce for sales of products and services, or focus on monetization strategies through affiliate links, ad revenue, and subscriptions. Step 9. Planning and automation. Develop a marketing plan, commit to it, learn by doing and practicing, and use AI and automated tools that'll help you save time and stay on track. Let's wrap up. I use these 9 steps to run my business. With my method, you can focus on what needs more work and make improvements. If you're just starting, these steps will help you figure out what's most important and how to save time. I've taught my method to thousands who have taken my classes, like small businesses, creators, marketing professionals, and nonprofits. Thanks for watching, and you can see my course schedule at my website, bobology.com, which I posted in the notes below.